Hi, to change date and time on your Redmi Watch 5 Active, as a first step, you need to take your phone to which your watch is connected and open settings, because there is no way directly manage this feature on the watch just with the help of the phone. So here you need to search for something called System tab and then go in the date and time. And after that, to set date and time manually and not a date and time, you'll need to disable automatically this option. And after that, select firstly date, just swipe up or down. For example, let's select 5th of December. Here we can also change time like that. And in this upper right corner, you can check the changes. Let me show you one more time. So I'm changing the time and here is the changes. Also, we can switch to another time zone if we just tap it from the list. And now everything should appear on the watch as well. And yeah, here we can see 5th of December. And this is how you change date and time on your Redmi Watch 5 Active. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.